Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to add location on your Instagram post. So first of all, launch on your Instagram application. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. So first of all, if you want to post, just tap on this middle plus option, and then you need to select photo from your gallery, and after that you need to edit. If you want or not, just tap on arrow on the top right corner, and after that you get a option on the top. Here you can see add location option. So just tap on this add location, and after that you need to type your location like ZSEN Chengdu. Here you can see you need to select from here, and after select your location, then tap on the top right corner, and that's it. Now your location is already added on your post. Here you can see on the down it's showing. You can see here you can see Zhengzhou, China. It's showing your location on your Instagram post. So guys, in this way you can add location on your Instagram post very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.